feel different. Playing Wembley, 80,000 singing with me is what I've been chasing, 'cause this is the dream.
Hi, love. It's been 4 years since I made the happiest decision of my life. I still remember the first ever message you sent me on. Pwede bang makipagkaibigan? Hindi ko naman alam na ganito pala yung gusto mong makikipagkaibigan. Nauwi pa tuloy sa kasalan.
Tapos yun, pumunta siya ng Dagupan. Bumaba siya from Baguio para makipag-meet sa akin. Tapos dumalaw siya sa family. Naiiyak ako.
The first kiss, the first night, the first song that made you cry, the first drink, red wine on a step in Brooklyn. I still feel the first fight. We both made it out alive, and I can't wait to make a million more first times.
Una niyang pinuntahan is yung family ko. Nagpaalam siya kay mami. Kung yun, parang nagpakilala siya. And siya lang yung lalaking naglakas ng loob na pumunta sa bahay para ipakilala yung sarili niya and patunayan na malinis yung intention.
I never regretted anything because you were consistently persistent, even up to this day. You always make me believe that I am valued and you pursue me every day.
The first kiss, the first night, the first song that made you cry, the first look in your eyes. When I said I love you, I can still feel the butterflies from when we stumbled home that night. I can't wait to make a million more first time.
You are my prettiest baby. Nung lumabas ka, alam ko yun kasi kamukha mo daw ako.
Ain't it funny how the simplest things in life can make a man? Little moments
legal na.
Oh, but I remember.
Noon lagi ako nagtatanong,
First kiss,
bakit lagi na lang ako nasasaktan at iniiwan? But when you came, everything just made sense. Thank you for filling the emptiness in me. Thank you for making me whole again. Kaya pala kinailangan kong masaktan ng ilang beses kasi ganito pala yung bawi. Ang gwapo.
You walk me to the car, open up my door, call me so I stay awake driving home. You pray with me at night before we fall asleep.
Mahalaga sa pag-aasawa at pagsasama, katapatan, respeto, isipin lagi ang isa't isa, simpleng buhay, masayahan ka na, trust at openness, makasisiguro akong maging mabungat masaya ang iyong pagsasama hanggang sa wakas ng inyong buhay.
You don't do it for attention.
Parang bakla.
You don't need the praise. Your love comes with no agenda, and I've seen it since the day we said I do. And the years gone by, they've only proven your words true. When you said I do.
Exactly 4 years ago, I said yes to being your girlfriend. Today, I'm saying yes to being your long life partner.
But I want you to know that baby I do.
Mayan, maraming salamat at kilala kita. Dumating ka sa oras na di ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula. Yung oras na naliligaw yung landas ko. Salamat din at tinanggap mo kung anong meron ako, kung anong wala ako. Bilang ganti, pinapangako kong pagsisilbayan at mamahalin kita habang buhay.
You will never have to walk this journey of life alone because you will always have me. Hindi ka na mag-iisa ulit pang ako. Happy anniversary, my love. 4 years down, forever to go. I love you and I can't wait to start this new chapter with you.